In Linnaeus's 10th edition of Systema Naturae, he described the class Insecta, meaning insects, as a very numerous and varied class consisting of small animals, breathing through lateral spiracles, armed on all sides with a bony skin or covered with hair, furnished with many feet and movable antennae or horns, which project from the head and are the probable instruments of sensation. Despite this, we still often overlook the things we cannot see. Insects have been on Earth 1,000 times longer than humans, and in many ways, they created the world we live in. Of all known animal species, mammals make up 0.5%, and insects some 70%. If insects had to disappear, the world would collapse into chaos as it turned into a giant compost heap filled with dead plant matter and bloated carcasses. These little creatures run the world, yet apart from bees, moths, and butterflies, insects are relatively unstudied. In the past, they were more obvious. Squashed flies, gnats, mosquitoes, and moths covering our windscreens as we drove to the coast for the summer holidays. Today, this reminder of their existence in our world has almost entirely vanished, as barely a few spots on the windscreen can be found. This is called the windscreen phenomenon and is far more cataclysmic for humans than its name might suggest, as scientists who study insects feel that it is a symptom of a crisis in our natural world. Already in 2012, alongside many other research groups, the Zoological Society of London concluded that insects were in decline. In 2019, it's been reported that 41% of global insect species have declined over the past decade. There's no single explanation that can be given for these unseen losses. These little creatures are endangered because of climate change, urbanization, and loss of habitat, such as forests turned into farms, the use of herbicides and pesticides, and even light pollution, messing up their navigation and mating behavior. This loss could be reduced by changing farming practices, such as planting wildflowers alongside fields, or even the reduction of herbicide, pesticides, and ongoing efforts to prevent climate change. Lots more could still be done, and things need to improve for these little creatures, but we have to pay attention and see the unseen, just as Linnaeus once did.